I am writing this from a hospital bed. They have discovered that I have ulcers and anemia, and here I am. Nothing serious, but enough to keep me out of action for a bit.
My eyes are open, but I cannot see. The drums of my jadedness, the backbeats of this stifling world of black consciousness. This body etched in the sounds of cosmic remembrance. Tea-stained manuscripts, she flies away for like black babies, titled New Life, a reminder for laughter and resurrection. Do not sow your seeds for our stars, the ones thrown apart by the fires of fame. Rather, tune in to the echoes of human spirit. Darling, just let yourself drift away. I summoned James Baldwin on this place on the mountain. He said, "Find my mother at the end of Harlem Avenue. She reads poems for a woman like you. A line into infinity, a line into divinity. Mama, mama, can you hear me?" She found a river which crosses a line. This life into infinity. But find you, we must weave. For the many sounds of infinity. Febra, Violet, oh sweet Lorraine, Brianna, Tyler, Nina, Nina. Do you remember these refrains beyond this human refrain? Fall to your knees in this moment of bodily possessions. Wired nationalism, nationalism, shot with steel maggots in the casket. I prayed a hole through his chest, melted all his flesh in the cavity of members undress. My eyes are wide-eyed, shut through shouts of proclamation. The Lord in his ivy trips, witch doctors, radioactive pimps, black gods, bad science, capitalist alchemists of this ravenous alliance. I'm just looking to inject this one line with the last bit of defiance. I have some rage and anatomical rejection. This sunflower seeds adorn this maggoted black beauty are to be planted at the eve of this inquiry. Call this my truth, call my legacy, as I surrender myself to the stars in truth of this body's fragility. A folk dance with the dead, my destiny, as my mama once said. Eat, my child, eat. For the end of life waters your hands and strips all neuropathy from your feet. So, pardon me for my anxiousness of these cosmic letters. I'm antsy for a life beyond these bodily conjectures. death as my next cosmic endeavor. Gods and monsters in the swirl of this life's current, Grandma has a broken back from holding Atlas's least fortified axe. So, oh mama, stir the cauldron of Lex Arcana, cause she's dying to meet you. Grandmother, Grand Nature, and Mother Anchor, trust us not to name her, but foolish we think we are in trying to tame her. I'm overwhelmed by the thoughts of spiraling machinations, with blurred visions and red lesions. Off shoot the stars to remind me of humanity that ceased to stray too far. Take me so that no soul is without the company of Heffel's dutiful anarchy. Black Mother, I'm talking to you, to the void. It's boundless. It's boundless. Is this heaven like they said? Good God, what's real? Am I just crazy? Maybe. I'm lonely waiting. The gates are locked. No place in the clouds, no pain about. So much I'm gonna wanna do. No summers of pain, all gone away. All just to say, Mom, I'm coming home. Mom, I'm coming soon. Just to be with you. I don't know how I'm gonna stay in this made-up place. Just believe. I don't know what I'm gonna do, what I'm gonna say. Bodies. Oh, Chicago, I'll go. No place like home. Mama told me. Heaven, the doors are closed. Spring, I just wanna play. Play. Antipathies. I said I'm unhappy. Happy. Back to the black void. 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 Back to the void. Back to the black void. Back to the black void. Back to the black void. Black void. Oh, my black death supernatural.